Grease block distributor in jaw crushers. A grease block distributor is a crucial component in a jaw crusher's lubrication system. It ensures the efficient and timely distribution of grease to various critical points within the crusher, reducing friction, wear, and downtime. How it works. 1. Grease supply. A centralized grease supply, often a grease pump or a grease cartridge, provides a continuous flow of grease to the distributor. 2. Distribution channels. The distributor block contains a network of internal channels that direct the grease to specific points of lubrication. 3. Outlet ports. The distributor block has multiple outlet ports, each connected to a lubrication fitting or a grease nipple. 4. Grease flow. When the distributor is activated, either manually or automatically, grease is forced through the channels and out of the outlet ports, lubricating the designated components. Importance of grease block distributors. Efficient lubrication ensures that all critical components receive the necessary amount of grease. Reduced friction and wear. Minimizes friction between moving parts, reducing wear and tear. Extended equipment life. Proper lubrication prolongs the lifespan of the crusher. Improved performance. Well-lubricated components operate more efficiently, increasing productivity. Reduced maintenance costs. Regular and effective lubrication reduces the need for frequent repairs and replacements. Key considerations for grease block distributors. Compatibility. The distributor should be compatible with the type of grease used in the crusher. Flow rate. The flow rate of the distributor should be sufficient to provide adequate lubrication to all components. Durability. The distributor should be made of durable materials to withstand harsh operating conditions. Ease of maintenance. The distributor should be easy to clean and maintain. By ensuring the proper functioning of grease block distributors, mining and construction operations can optimize the performance and longevity